This video's gonna be awesome. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel.
What is going on, guys? Astronaut AJ Mullet here and Mason.
What's up, guys?
And today we've got something awesome that Spin Master sent us. They sent us this awesome Grave Digger RC. Check this thing out. It looks totally awesome. Here's the back of the box. It even does something really cool. You can use the box to make a ramp. And Mason's gonna do a magic karate chop and get this thing out of the box. Go for it, dude. Woo! Check it out, guys. Here's Grave Digger out of the box, and this RC looks totally awesome. Tell us about it, Mason.
They have the white BKT tires.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah.
Check it out. It's got the white BKT lettering tires. That's totally awesome.
And I'm not sure how fast it will go.
Whoa! That thing's gonna be crazy.
And I felt the wind.
You felt the wind off the tires? We're gonna do all kinds of awesome stunts. We're gonna do a balloon pop. Mason's even gonna do a stunt where he gets to jump over me with this Grave Digger RC. What do you think about that?
Cool.
We almost forgot. Before we get to the freestyle, we wanted to tell you something awesome about this RC. This thing is actually a USB charged RC. You don't have to put batteries in the actual Grave Digger. It's got a USB cord on the inside, and you can just plug it up with one of your chargers, and it's USB. The only thing that needs batteries is this remote. But that's really awesome.
Let's get to the freestyle.
Yeah! Check it out. Here's Grave Digger ready to go. Are you ready to do this, Mason?
Yeah.
Let's go with it. Whoa, that was awesome. Whoa! You had a big time crash. Oh, check it out. You're trying to flip it over. Yes! Whoa!
The trick was so digger done.
Oh, you almost did the son of a digger trick? Yeah, that was totally awesome.
I'm gonna try to do a front flip.
You gonna try to do what are you gonna try to do next? Front flip? That thing's got some power, doesn't it? Whoa! Go for the crush car, dude. Check it out. We got Grave Digger versus the zombie. Go with it, dude. Whoa, you missed. Yes! Whoa! That was loud, wasn't it? Alright, dude, crash into them balloons. Oh! Mason, are you ready for this, dude?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, go with it. That scared me, dude. That was pretty awesome. What'd you think of that, dude?
That was scary.
That was scary, wasn't it? You ready to do the red balloon now?
Yep.
Are you ready to get the green balloon?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Mason, are you ready to try to jump over me now in this big time stunt?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Hey, dude, don't mess up my sweet mullet. Whoa! Here we go again. Ah! I'm okay. Mason, what you gonna do next?
I don't know. I'm just gonna run into those cups.
Those cups?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, big time crash.
I'm coming for y'all.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Whoa! So Mason, what do you think about this Spin Master Grave Digger RC monster truck?
It's awesome.
It is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Spin Master makes the best Monster Jam stuff. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Woo!
Check it out. Here's 2 more of our awesome videos. All you gotta do is click on one. Which one are you gonna choose?